Congratulations! You have received your Ovopur filtration unit, and you are about to live the aquaovo experience. You can start by taking all the items out of the main shipping box. Make sure you don't forget anything before you put the box in the recycling bin. Remove all components from their respective boxes, starting with the base. Refer to the other available capsules for assembly information specific to your base. Take the filtration tank out of its box. Make sure to take out all the accessories like the wrench, the ceramic handle, and the magnetic level. Handle ceramic and glass parts with care. They are relatively fragile, and some are quite heavy. They can be slippery when wet. Now, you can take a cartridge out of its packaging and move on to rinsing and washing the parts of your filtration unit. Keep your packaging for the return of your used cartridge to our workshop.